Generation contracted, licensed, insured, and operating in San Diego since the 1900s, proudly presents Frequently Asked Questions About Asbestos. If your home or building was built before the 1980s, there's a distinct chance that it houses a silent killer known as asbestos. Today, we'll briefly examine what asbestos is, the risk it poses to you and society at large, and what the law requires of you, the honest, hardworking citizen, if in fact you need to test, remove, or dispose of it. Asbestos, once considered nature's wonder fiber, is a group of minerals used for decades in construction for its fire resistance and durability. It can be found in insulation, floor tiles, popcorn ceilings, and more, especially in structures built in the mid-1900s. Thanks to modern science, what we now know about this fancy fiber is that once disturbed, the fibers become airborne. And if inhaled by you or anyone you love, it can lead to severe health issues like asbestosis, lung cancer, and mesothelioma. Be aware, there is no safe level of exposure. It's important to note that asbestos is not dangerous unless it becomes released into the air. Floods, fires, home improvement projects, and other disruptive procedures can all release asbestos fibers and present a significant health risk to ordinary everyday citizens just like you. Vigilance is key, as asbestos is rarely visible. It could be hiding under your flooring or behind your walls. If you think you found asbestos, leave it undisturbed. Pick up the telephone and call a professional. Federally speaking, the EPA only requires testing for demolition and renovation of commercial buildings. But at the local level, most cities and states require that any suspected asbestos be tested by a licensed inspector before renovation or demolition of any kind. In San Diego County, you must follow SDA PCD and Cal OSHA rules and regulations for sampling and reporting, even for most small projects. Do-it-yourself removal is definitely unsafe. We don't perform asbestos abatement, but you can bet your lucky nickel that we take safety seriously, and we want to ensure that you do too. Whether you're planning a remodel or just have questions, we'll guide you to the right resources. Concerned about asbestos in your home or project? Reach out to Generation Contracting. We're here to help you stay safe, informed, and compliant with the law.